Could a single default setting in Excel undermine years of human genome research? Surprisingly, yes. And not just once, but hundreds of times. Excel is one of the most widely used tools in science, quick for analyzing data, building tables, and drawing charts. The problem is that this program has always tried to know better how your data should look. If you type something like SEPT2, the name of a gene from the septin family, Excel automatically assumes it's a date. It converts it into 2-SEP or 0902. The same happens with genes like March1 or DEC1. These are biological symbols, but Excel treats them as months and dates. This doesn't sound dangerous until those tables are used for bioinformatics analysis. In 2016, the journal Genome Biology published a study showing that public genomic databases contain thousands of corrupted entries caused by Excel's automatic formatting. The researchers examined supplementary data from more than 3,500 genomics papers. The result? About 20% of them contained gene name errors introduced by Excel. That means hundreds of scientific papers included tables with corrupted identifiers, making parts of their results impossible to reproduce. Once Excel converts SEPT1 into 1-SEP, the original text is gone. The cell now stores a date as a number. If the file is saved, especially as CSV, you may only see something like 45121. Without the untouched source file or reliable context, you can't know if 1-SEP was meant to be a gene symbol or an actual calendar date. On top of that, regional date formats vary. 0309 might mean March 9th or September 3rd. That's why reversing the error is often ambiguous, and sometimes impossible. The issue became so widespread that scientists began publishing guidelines and creating tools to detect these mistakes. Official gene names were also changed to avoid conflicts with dates. For example, SEPT2 became SEPTN2, and March1 became MarchF1. This story shows how even a tiny software detail, like default formatting, can have a huge impact on science. Excel remains a powerful tool, but in the hands of researchers, it became a trap that distorted parts of genomic research. So the next time someone tells you Excel is just spreadsheets, you can reply, true. But those spreadsheets once turned gene names into dates and caused chaos in molecular biology. And if you enjoy uncovering stories where technology shaped or misshaped our world, make sure to subscribe to TechFacts. We've got plenty more surprising tales coming your way.